Let's create a nest depot. It's like Home Depot, but for birds. So I have feeder that I don't use much. I have some old cotton balls. They're clean, but they just were staying outside. I don't know if they actually like it or no. I have some cat fur. They can use it for insides of their homes. And I also have some dry grass. And I'm going to place it by the bird feeder, so it's high traffic place for my birds, and I will definitely see it, and I hope they might use it, so they won't need to go around the yard trying to find materials. Just stuff it in here. And ready.